Good. Can we turn the other way? Can I turn the other way? You're missing a lot of people.
Yeah.
Oh, let's stop. Lily, stop spinning or you're gonna get dizzy. Yeah, we don't want to fall down on the ground. That would hurt. Right? Alright, now we're going to take time with the arms. They're going to go up and out and down and up and out and down and up. This is called our port de bras. Can you say that? Port de bras. Good girl, Lillian. And all the way up over our head this time. And out. And up. And out. Good job. Alright, I have another test for you. What's a shooting star? Good job. Is everyone showing me the shooting star? Good. And show me a shooting star the other way. Good. And this time when we do our shooting star, you're going to try and lift your toe behind you. Whoa, is that tricky? Alright, can we try it the other way? Lift your toe behind you. Whoa. Alright, everyone show me your arms up to the side, super straight, and show me leg kicks like this. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, not moving. You have to be in your spot. Kick, kick, kick. Good job, friends. Our circle got really small. Back up. Take a step back. All right. We're going to go in our circle, and you're going to show me how we skip. Where do my arms go when I skip? Good. On my shoulders. Everyone show me how we skip in a circle. Skip, skip, skip. Skipping, Maya, not running. Remember, we go hop, step, hop, step, hop, step. Good job, friends. Keep skipping, keep skipping. Put your tongue in your mouth, Miss Maya. There you go. All right, now I want you to put your hands on your hips. And put one toe in front. And we're going to gallop. Show me how we gallop with one toe in front. Good job. Keep going. Good galloping, Miss Olivia. All right, now we're going to breathe. And put your other foot in front. And gallop with that foot in front. Is that tricky? Step back with that one. We're back to the first one. So go forward, Maya. There you go. Those are looking good. All right, who remembers what jazz walks look like? Good girl, Sylvia. Hop under your legs. They never stay on there. Under your leg, Olivia. Yes, hop under. There you go. Under your leg, Olivia. Under. Keep going, Miss Maya.
Put her tag upside down.
Oh, good job, friends. All right, I want to see butterfly runs. In butterfly runs, are we on our feet or are we on our tippy toes? We're on our arms. We have our butterfly arms like this on our tippy toes. You're going the wrong way. You're going the same way I'm going. Show me your butterfly. Where's your arms? Big arms.
Oh, you guys fly too fast.
You guys do touch. Big arms, big arms. Oh, good job, little butterflies. All right, now this time we're going to be airplanes. You have to keep your arms super straight when we run. Usually we do this for the boys, but some of the boys are. Keep those arms
see how high we can kick. Nice big kicks.
Big kick, big kick. Oh, be careful, Miss Lily. You put your feet.